Hey you all, you want to achieve this look, watch this video. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial while telling you guys a story. Pretty much right now I'm just brushing my eyebrows and trying to shape them with the pencil, but let's go straight on to the story. So there was this girl. One day I went to a restaurant with my husband and I said I wanted to use the restroom. So behold, I went to the restroom, and as I was in the restroom, I met this girl crying. I was really worried about her crying. I was like, what's going on, you know? Can you tell me what's up? She was like, oh, I'm so confused right now. The guy I'm planning to meet up here, two of them. I'm like, are you double dating? She's like, yeah, but both of them are here. So I was like, are they friends or what? Why are you really crying? She's like, oh, one is seated inside the restaurant, one is seated outside. So I was like wondering, because she was kind of like describing the guy. I was like, hope this is not my husband you're talking about. I became so curious about it. So she kind of described him, and it was like he's putting on a short sleeve shirt. I was like, okay, can you go show me the guy? Oh, she's like, no, I'm scared because I don't want any fight in the restaurant. In my mind, I'm like, I need to know this guy, because hope this is not my husband you're talking about. Do you guys see those brows? Oh my god. And I'm using the crayon case palette to do my eyeshadows. But let's continue our story. So just thinking about it, she was like, when you walk into the restaurant, go on the left, there's this guy putting on a white t-shirt, a white shirt, like a short sleeve shirt. Going to the inside of the restaurant, my husband is putting on a white short sleeve shirt. So I'm like, but then there were two other guys, and these two other guys were my husband's friend. For some reason, they all really like that restaurant. So I was getting out confused, and the black men, like, now what's going on here? And when I came, I was like, oh babe, I'm just busy in the restroom, just give me a little bit of time. And my husband was like, okay. I met some of my friends here, and they're about to propose to their girlfriend. I'm like, what? He was like, yeah. In dismay, I was really I didn't know what to say. Was she waiting for my boyfriend, or was she waiting for my husband, or was she really waiting for his friends? Because from the description, she was like, oh, the black men, African men. From the description, all of them look alike. I'm telling you, when this girl described that, my heart sunk, because I want her to show me for sure if it was my husband or not. I was ready to fight. Like, you guys know what I mean. But anyway, I went back to the restroom. I'm like, show me a picture. This girl wasn't in the bathroom. Going to the front desk of the restaurant, she was there. She was seated at the hallway or the lobby. So I'm like, excuse me. She acted like she didn't know me. So now I'm wondering, when I went back, did she go talk to my husband, or did she go talk to the other guy? She was like, oh no, I'm fine. I'm like, no. So did you finally meet up with the guy? She's like, she whispered in my ear, come, let's go to rest. Come, let's go to rest. So back then, my husband was calling, like, what's up, babe? Our food is here. You know, we need to get started with this dinner and all that. Long story short, went back to the bathroom. This girl was sobbing. Called my husband now to try to take her a picture and show my husband. She was like, oh, I've met this girl somewhere, but I don't really remember. But guess what? This girl will not show me a picture of the guy. So now, that's what really, you guys see how much I'm blending? And then now I'm using the previous blush. This blush is one, and you guys can see this look, but everything is right here. As you guys can see, it's a step-by-step process. So where was I in my storyline though? So actually I left now. One thing was a little bit creepy about this girl. She never showed me a picture. So is she playing me? Is she playing my husband? Is she playing his friends? Like, who can I really trust? Have you guys ever been in a situation where you're even more confused as compared to what's already going on? I didn't feel like eating or something. So finally, I went to sit down back with my husband to actually see what's gonna go on, you know. But guess what? I'm gonna continue this story in part 2. Let's blend in by my eye, by the side of my eye. You need to really blend in. This blending brush is actually good. I actually got this brush from Ulta Beauty. It's on the, I think it's one of the Ulta brushes. Is it Ulta or Sephora brush? One of them. I'm gonna check that out and put it in the description. And I highlighted underneath my eye. I'll tell you guys, this is one of the best makeup I've ever achieved. It's so natural and it's for black girls, dark skin chocolate girls who are out to glam up their skin. So yeah, I usually put like a little bit of white highlighter, because when you take your pictures with a little bit of white highlighter, it gives you a bomb ass look. Like, so kind of blended that in a little bit more. Use my blending brush. I actually really love that brush. And then we're going to the lips. As I said, I actually started this makeup with the crayon case, so I'm going to be using I'm actually going to be using the crayon case lippies. These are new lippies I bought and I really love them. So this is one of them, and let's see how that is gonna work. Actually, I didn't line my lips, so I used this to line both my lips and just apply the lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. I'm gonna rate it to 10 on 10 because it's bright, it applies well, and it doesn't act dry on my skin, so, or on my lips. So that's me filling it up, and I'm about to round up this makeup tutorial with you guys. I want you guys to ask me all the questions you need to ask me, and this is about it of my final look. Just look at my eyelids. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah, bringing you up with the sauce. That was my final look, and I finally took some pictures. These are the pictures I took after my makeup tutorial, and I was out and ready for the day. So this is your girl under the sun. Boom, just look at that. Thank you for watching.